How's it going, everyone? My name is RJ, and today we'll be taking a look at some of my favorite cases for the iPhone 13 Pro from Casetify. These cases are called Ultra Impact and Impact cases, but with a little bit of a twist because up until a while ago, these cases weren't MagSafe compatible. Now they are MagSafe compatible, and that is some very good news because I love Casetify and I also love my MagSafe accessories. In this video, I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about these cases before making a purchase decision. We'll be talking about the drop protection these cases provide, some cool tech used in these cases to eliminate bacteria, and I'll be featuring some cases with some really cool artwork made by some really cool artists. Casetify loves to collaborate with artists and promote their artwork, which I think is fantastic. And of course, as per usual, there will be a 15% discount code upon purchase of any Casetify case mentioned in this video. All you have to do is go to casetify.com/rjtech or just click on the link in the description below and you'll automatically be granted a 15% discount.
I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at alone.
Just full disclosure, these cases were sent out to me directly by Casetify, but in no way, shape, or form am I obligated to say anything other than my honest thoughts regarding these cases. All of my thoughts and opinions are my own, and Casetify is watching this video at the exact same time you guys are. Of course, if you guys want to see more content just like this, then make sure to drop a like on this video and of course subscribe to the channel. I fully plan on taking this channel to new heights in 2022, and I also plan on dropping a lot more iPhone related content, including a video coming up called my favorite MagSafe accessories for the iPhone 13 Pro. So if you do want to stick around for the ride, then consider subscribing to the channel, that'd be much appreciated. Okay, so starting off with the fit and the design. One thing I really appreciate about Casetify cases is the solid fit. All of the cases provide a nice tight fit without any wiggle room for your phone. When you grasp onto a Casetify case in your hands, you just know that you're holding a product that was given much thought, not only in design, but also with protection and quality in mind. All the cutouts on the buttons are precise and accurate with a raised cover protection for the camera. So you can set your phone down on a table and not worry about your camera lens getting all scratched up. Now, Casetify is all about reducing their carbon footprint. These Ultra Impact and Impact cases are made up of 65% recycled and plant-based materials along with 100% recycled packaging. It's definitely refreshing to see a company like Casetify doing everything that they need to do in order to go green by reducing their carbon footprint. What's unique about these cases is that they do feature a technology called Pefect 2.0. Pefect 2.0 is a shock absorbing technology found on the corner of the Ultra Impact cases. They do provide necessary shock distribution and absorption for ultimate protection. You can rest assured knowing that if you do accidentally drop your iPhone, Pefect 2.0 is there to help aid and cushion the drop. This honestly gives me a peace of mind. iPhones are by no means cheap and you don't want to have to pay for a new display or even a new camera lens. Apple has quoted customers in the past anywhere between $500 and $800 for a screen replacement. So it is much more cost efficient to just invest in a good protective case like these Casetify Ultra Impact and Impact cases. So you may be asking yourself, what is the difference between an Impact and an Ultra Impact case? Both of these cases share similar properties and features. The only difference being with an Impact case, you only get 6.6 feet of drop protection. And with an Ultra Impact case, you get up to 9.8 feet of drop protection. And you know what? This drop test claim was actually tested by me. I did in fact drop my iPhone 13 Pro from about 10 feet high onto solid concrete, and my iPhone came away unscathed. So major props to Casetify for holding up their end of the bargain. Now, depending on your day-to-day activity, you can either choose to go with more drop protection or you can choose to go with an Impact case, both of which are solid choices. The Impact case is slightly thinner, coming in at 13mm thin, and it's definitely lighter, making it easily pocketable. I like to switch up my cases depending upon the type of day I know I'm going to be having. So say for instance, I'm going to be going skating or on a hike somewhere, I always rock an Ultra Impact case, just in case I do drop my iPhone accidentally. On more leisure, non-active days, I like to keep my pockets thin and light with an Impact case. So it does really just depend upon your day-to-day activity, deciding on which case to go with. Ultra Impact cases have 2.4mm enhanced Pefect corners and a raised camera ring. The front bezel is also slightly raised by 1.6mm. Every detail on this case is finely tuned for optimal protection and superior impact resistance. Ultra Impact cases do take a three-part approach to protection. First is the lifted camera rings to protect the camera lenses, followed by Pefect 2.0, which are of course shock absorbing corners that reduce impact by 95%. This is lab tested by Casetify themselves. And finally, the front raised bezels to protect the screen when dropped frontward. What I absolutely love about these Casetify cases is that they are 100% BPA free and 100% non-toxic, and they do work well with wireless charging. These Impact cases are finally MagSafe compatible, so if you do use a lot of MagSafe accessories like I do, Impact cases will serve you just fine. I did test the strength of MagSafe on these cases using a variety of MagSafe accessories, and the magnetic strength is terrific. You can rest assured if you attach any MagSafe accessory to the back of your device, it is not going anywhere. You can customize these cases to your own preference, and I did already make a full dedicated video on these wallets, so if you do want to find out out more, then do check out my Casetify MagSafe wallet video linked in the description below. Remember how earlier I mentioned Casetify uses a technology to eliminate bacteria? Well, the technology is called Defensify, which is actually an antimicrobial coating that eliminates 99% of bacteria and germs from your phone's surface. So if you're kind of a germaphobe like how I am, then you can really appreciate this feature. It does save you a ton of time from constantly wiping down your phone. As you guys can see from these cases, Casetify is the king of phone case customization. There are an endless amount of cases to choose from, but if you do want to customize a case to your own individual preference, you can with Casetify for no extra cost. There is an option to select a variety of text, make your own monogram, or even upload your own image to the back of your case. Casetify also collaborates with a ton of popular artists, so if you're a fan of a specific artist, you can now directly support your favorite artist by purchasing one of their cases. Like this case right here might be my favorite phone case of all time, specifically because of the insane artwork by Dick Lowe. The attention to detail on this painting is incredible, and I love the blue accent coming from the lion's eyes, which makes the sketch as a whole pop out. Sometimes with other companies, what I have noticed is that the painting or the sketch on the cases aren't actually the best of quality. They do wear off over time and they do end up looking like a worn out puzzle. With Casetify, you can tell the ink they use to get these paintings on the case is not going to wear off anytime soon. Another case I love is this collaboration with John Bergerman. The barely awake pun along with the sleeping bear just screams me. So if you find yourself needing a ton of coffee per day just to get through your day, then this case can be used as great representation. If you want to show off your iPhone's colors, you can choose to create your own custom case with a clean back. Here I have a MagSafe compatible Ultra Impact case with my name written in orange at the bottom. I love how simple and minimal this case looks, and the MagSafe ring etched into this case gives off a pretty cool look in my opinion. Or say for example, you want a completely blue back with the white letters spelling out your name. You can choose to go with something like this. Honestly, the options you have and the customization is truly endless. Casetify loves taking pride in saying they offer the largest variety of cases out of any case company. And you know what? Judging by their website, they are not lying. The customizations and the options are truly endless with Casetify. And if you want the ultimate protection for your iPhone, then an Ultra Impact case or an Impact case is your best bet. I mean, it's a much better option than having to pay Apple $500+ to get a screen replacement or even having to repair your camera lens. A solid, protective case remains your best alternative. Casetify Impact cases feature lab-tested drop protection. They are eco-friendly and they do feature bacteria-eliminating coating called Defensify. More importantly, the quality is top-notch and the grip on these cases are fantastic. So if you are interested in purchasing a Casetify case, make sure to use the link in the description below in order to qualify for the 15% discount. Let me know down in the comments below which Casetify case is your favorite, and if you do end up purchasing one of these cases, I would love for you guys to tag me in a picture over on Instagram or Twitter at RJTech. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your Casetify case tech.